Uncover hidden features and quick fixes for the Mercedes-Benz S-Class you probably didn't know about. Ovine exterior overview. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class is known for its sleek, timeless design. But did you know that it's equipped with a system that adapts the car's height to road conditions? That's thanks to the AIRMATIC suspension system, which automatically adjusts the ride height for better comfort or enhanced stability at higher speeds. POV 2 lighting features. Moving on to the lighting, the S-Class comes with multi-beam LED headlights, providing brighter, more focused light. The system adjusts the headlights based on the car's speed, steering angle and road conditions. And if you're wondering, yes, the high beams can automatically dim to avoid blinding other drivers. Just a quick one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. POV 3 interior comfort and tech. Inside, the S-Class takes luxury to another level with its Burmester sound system, which offers studio-quality sound. But it's not just about sound quality. You can control the system via the intuitive COMAND interface, which integrates with the large touchscreen. Here's a quick tip. If your command screen is freezing or lagging, try a simple reboot by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This should fix any software glitches. POV 4 advanced driving assistance. The Drive Pilot system gives you semi-autonomous driving. For quick fixes, if it stops responding, simply restart the system to get it back on track. POV 5 the infamous S-Class air freshener. The air balance system, or they automatically adjust the cabin's scent to your preference. It's a luxury feature that enhances your driving experience. If the scent intensity is too strong, it's adjustable through the settings in the climate control menu. POV 6 performance and engine. Under the hood, the S-Class offers V8 or V12 engines with a 9-speed transmission. If acceleration feels sluggish, and reset the transmission by turning the ignition off and on. POV 7 maintaining the S-Class. Keeping the S-Class in top condition involves regular maintenance, and here's something many owners overlook: the air suspension. And if your S-Class starts to lean to one side or feels unusually bumpy, it could be an issue with the air suspension. The solution? Sometimes it's just a matter of recalibrating the system. Which can be done at a Mercedes-Benz service center. POV 8 final tips and fixes. Lastly, if you notice your S-Class interior lights flickering or dimming unexpectedly, it could be a problem with the fuses or the battery. Check the fuses first to see, and if that doesn't solve it, a quick visit to the dealership for a battery checkup might be needed. Just before you go, please, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.